whatever you do in CAT, whether you do very well in the exam or you've done pretty badly, you'll always have a top call and a bottom call. There's a top call and a bottom call. And if you can convert the top call and then go to the B school, and then you'll again have a top job and a bottom job. So this top call conversion and top job conversion in the next 3 years can actually take care of 15 percentile in your CAT scores. An 85-90 can actually compete in the corporate sector with a 99 plus.
Another part that I can add to that, Arun, I'm sure you tell that as well, which is that it gives you a leap of almost 5 to 7 years in your corporate or any area that you want to work in. 15% that you are talking about can help you make strides of 5 to 7 years of accomplishments in your life.
And unfortunately, one of the least things that we are trained for through our educational system. When I reached my Bangalore interviews, I was like a plucked chicken. Jo bhi bolna hai, bol do. No ideas what to talk about, no ideas what to write. It was completely like chicken in front of a cannon situation for me, because I had never ever experienced interview training. And even out there, when I look at now as a professional, when I look at the kind of interview training structures that are there around us, typical interview training system that is happening across the industry is typically you take a first year B school student, ask him to take interviews for people going to the B school. Now you know, I know, फर्स्ट ईयर मतलब इधर से उधर पहुंच गए एक इंटरव्यू किसी तरह क्रैक करके, इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी हुआ कि हम इंटरव्यूअर बन गए. So unfortunately the advisory is very very poor.